Good morning to everybody. Today is 28th of July and this is celebrated as World Hepatitis Day. So I'm just going to brief you about something about your liver and what it means to have hepatitis. We all know that the liver is the most important and the largest metabolic organ of the body. Hepatitis means the swelling of the liver. It may have many reasons for this to happen. One of them is viral infection, which is most common, and this is called hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis E, and hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis B and C are mostly chronic infection, and you get them through the blood transfusion, through the sexual intercourse, or through some sort of sharing of the needles or something like that, when your body fluid is coming in contact with the body fluid of the person who already is infected with the virus, or it can be transmitted from mother to children. These hepatitis are diagnosed with blood test. State of the liver damage is diagnosed with the ultrasound, sometimes some other investigation, and both of them can be treated successfully. So if you have not checked yourself, you should check yourself for hepatitis B and C. Even for hepatitis B, vaccine is available which can be given, and you can prevent yourself from getting infected from hepatitis B. Hepatitis A and E lead to acute viral hepatitis. Most of time they are transmitted through the oral fecal route, means if you are going to have some infected water or infected food, then you are likely to be infected. Many a times it is a community outbreak when some infected source is around and a large number of people in the same community can be infected. So this is the season in which it is more likely to happen, hepatitis A and E. Keep yourself safe during this raining season. If you are having nausea, vomiting, which is not going in 1 or 2 days, get your liver function test done and get a consultation with a gastroenterologist or hepatologist. The hepatitis D virus is a very rare infection which happens as an added infection on hepatitis D, and it has to be only checked if the person already is having hepatitis B and having a dysfunction of the liver function. The other causes for hepatitis could be alcohol intake. So you should not be taking more than 40 gram of alcohol if you are a male per day, or not more than 20 if you are a female per day. And while taking alcohol, if you see some yellowness of your eyes or high colored urine, please consult a doctor so that you can know about if this alcohol is damaging your liver and you need any kind of treatment. Other reason is if you are quite obese, that also can lead to the swelling of the liver, that is called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. So check your weight. If your BMI is more than 25, you should get an ultrasound of the abdomen and the liver function test. If anything is abnormal, consult a hepatologist as soon as possible so that he can guide you to the weight loss and the treatment, because this condition is completely reversible. Other rare causes could be some autoimmune disorders, some metabolic disorder. So anytime, anywhere, if you feel that your liver function is not normal, try to consult a hepatologist or gastrologist, and always have a good diet, avoid alcohol, avoid injurious substances, keep a good hygiene, and keep your liver healthy. Wishing you a very, very happy hepatitis day and healthy life. I'm signing off, Dr. Lata Prasad from Hyderabad, from Prasad Liver and Digestive Clinic.